Hello friends, I hope you all are fine. This video is for those people who want to make whiteboard animation videos. You have no need to go anywhere else. This video is going to be enough for you. In this video, I am going to show you 3 best applications that you can use for making whiteboard animation videos. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's jump into the video. In my list, on third number is whiteboard animation creator. You have go simply to Play Store and type whiteboard animation creator and this will be in front of you. This application have unique tools. There are different text styles that you can add to your video. There are different hand gestures as well. I have put this on third number because the update version that I use has a problem. After making a video, it is rendered in black and white form, but I think this will be corrected soon. Okay, so now moving toward number 2, that is benign whiteboard animation creator. This is a very best app for making whiteboard animations. This application has modern user interface and very simple design that is very easy to use. You have just click on this plus button and add a new project. Then it is inbuilt video assets. There are different video assets that you can use for free. Some of them are paid version, but you have to watch an ad and that's free. After this, you can select local musics as well from your storage. You can download music from online and add into your video. It is easy to use, easy text editing feature. It has easy text editing feature that is very helpful for new users. There are different hand gestures that you can use in your video. You can add multiple pages in your video to increase the length of the video and add other templates. You can preview your video at the moment you want. It's free to use and offline. This is an offline video renderer and instant share. You can share the video, you can save the video in the storage of your mobile phone. There are unlimited video creations. There is no limit to create how much videos that you can create in just one day. Okay, so now moving toward number 1. Number 1 is video, WIDEO. You can add project by clicking on plus. You can name your project as you like. There are different interface as well for YouTube video, for TikTok videos. You can add text, you can add pictures, you can add images, you can add animations in this video. You can save the video in storage as you want. You can share the movie as well. That's it for this video. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.